Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a Valentine's Day video with Leslie. She's going to be coming. In the meantime, I'm going to show you guys what I bought because I went shopping yesterday. So, I got this shirt, very spring. I got this dress and it has pockets, but it's like a t-shirt dress, and so I thought it would be good. I got this at Cotton On, and then I got this at Forever 21. And then these I just got from the mall. I think it was called like Lids. But yeah, that is all I bought, I think. And I bought a camera. Of course, the one that I am filming this on. This is the camera that I got from Best Buy. It's the Canon G7X Mark II. And then I also got some mason jars for today's video. I got different types of sizes from Michael's, and so we will be doing that video soon. What are you doing there? So I'm gonna go ahead and set up our lights right now. That way once Leslie gets here, we can just go ahead and start filming because my room has really bad lighting. I'm gonna set this up as well as my tripod. That's my tripod. Here are my lights. Wrong one. I just smashed my fingers. So I ripped my pants. Do you see this? Now I'm just gonna go ahead and set up the tripod. So it's this tripod here. Let's see your driving. Also look at how close Leslie is to the wheel.
I'm quite small.
It is so weird to see you drive.
I know, I was thinking, and we literally started this channel when I was such a tiny little person.
You were 12, I think.
And now I'm just I'm driving. I got on the sidewalk the other day.
Really?
Yeah. And every single vlog, you're driving.
I know.
I do not know how to drive.
This is the first time you're ever driving. Isn't that crazy?
That is crazy. Wait. Wasn't that pink wall there?
Yeah, the little
I was gonna come say it was here.
Oh, yeah, that has been gone for like a year.
Okay, wait, I always pass through this and I'm just realizing. Currently,
Leslie's making a banner to make it look so cute.
This looks like a pizza.
It does, like pepperonis. That's funny. And then I'm going to attempt to make something. This is what happens after you film a video. We're also eating all of this UM candy now that we just finished.
Make sure to watch it.
Yes.
Will be in the description.
Now we're going to make a list of things that we're gonna film. So, we hope you enjoyed this vlog of a kind of behind the scenes of our video while we made things and went to the store and Leslie drove for the first time in front of my face.
How exciting, we didn't die.
I know! It's so weird though, because I just imagine second grade you.
I know! Guys, I've grown so much on this channel, it's so weird. We'll see you guys.
Bye!